Now, a truly inspiring story. Doctors are developing new medical procedures and technologies all the time. And for News 13's Christine Webb, what started out as covering one new medical procedure turned into something that touched our hearts much more. It's a story of a little girl who is beating the odds and a family filled with faith, hope, and love.
Hector and Letty Rubert had tried for years to have a child.
So I had to hold multiple jobs so I can save enough money to have the IVF process.
And on the second treatment, their dream came true. The couple was expecting a baby. But during Letty's pregnancy, the couple learned there were complications. The baby had hydrocephalus, water in the brain, and doctors asked if they wanted to terminate the pregnancy. The couple said no.
When they told me she was a little girl, I couldn't terminate the pregnancy. I couldn't. And I said, I looked at my wife and I said, we'll do whatever we can do.
Then, on January 5th, 2005, Jacqueline Marie Rubert was born. At birth, a crew of doctors feverishly worked on her. Doctors said the baby's head was the size of a 6-month-old. She had a bilateral cleft lip. Her palate was wide open. Her left eye had a huge hemangioma. Would she be able to make it? Doctors didn't give her much of a chance. Now, Jacqueline is 4 years old. And while this simple task may seem little to you or me, her walking like this with her dad is huge. The next step, this eye surgery. Because Jacqueline was born without her left eye, she needs another surgery. Dr. Mont Cartwright performs this first-of-a-kind surgery at Florida Hospital. He'll remove the left eye tissue remnant and replace it with an OTE, orbital tissue expander.
If we don't expand that tissue now, that side will be so small by the time that she's an adult that she'll be completely deformed.
The surgery is a huge success. The doctor's amazed how well Jacqueline did. Just being around the parents, you get a sense that there's something special here, something more than the eye can see. No matter the odds, and no matter what everyone else says or even sees themselves, these parents know without a doubt they have the most beautiful girl who has blessed their life tremendously. Now, you might be asking how, why? How can a family dealing with so much be so positive? The answer is simple. It's their faith.
It goes to show you how God, He always finds a way to put the right people for her. I would love for her to say one day, Dad or Papi. That would be the best thing for me, but I love her anyway.
That was Christine Webb reporting. Jacqueline will get an eye implant once she is fully grown, but doctors say she will never be able to see out of that eye.